hi, we were supposed to create a mask of some animal or creature, and I chose wolf. And my superpower is bringing balance when it's needed, and mm, the knowledge when to kill and when to let live. So don't kill, obviously. And humans should learn from this, that when to kill and when not. Like the good example is fasting, because it's similar to it. Like you don't eat meat for a month or so, and then you can. And also the knowledge when to kill and when not should be learned, because just killing animals for fun, it's disgusting, I have to say it. But killing animals for surviving and for food, and when you use 100% of that animal, I think that's okay. And